Viewers, the Kisan Morcha, the overarching grouping that politically drives the protests at the Shingu border and other protest sites, has suspended their key public face and ideologue, Yogendra Yadav. The academic turned Neta has been suspended for condoling the death of a BJP worker who was lynched in the angry backlash to the death of 3 farmers who were run over in Lakhimpur Kheri, ostensibly, allegedly, by a vehicle that was being driven by a BJP minister's son. Now, viewers, this has sent shockwaves across the length and breadth of the country, because as a country, viewers, we have always respected one basic principle, that when there is a tragedy, it should not be politicized. That death cannot become a plinth on which you either build political outreach or you inject a dose of partisanship to try and influence public perception. In fact, in this country, viewers, when someone passes away, the tradition is to forgive and forget the person's transgressions, and for people, even those who were ideologically opposed, politically opposed, or opposed in any other way, to come together and condole. That's really been the tradition. And if Yogendra Yadav, as a humanist, has reached out to a victim of a dastardly vendetta, or the family of a victim of a dastardly vendetta, then he should actually be celebrated as a unifying force, as a pacifier, rather than as an individual guilty of letting the Kisans down. The Kisans themselves, viewers, claim that they subscribe to a honor code which is far more evolved than even India's laws. And therefore, there is a fundamental duplicity at work here. Nonetheless, we also caught up with Yogendra Yadav to get a sense of what his view is. And he seemed a little baffled. Listen in.
I think it's pretty simple. I went to Lakhimpur Kheri for the Shraddhanjali Sabha of the 4 farmers, Shahid Kisan jo the, and 1 journalist. After the Sabha, I felt that I must also visit the family of the BJP Karyakarta, Shubham Mishra. I went just to offer my condolences to the family as well. I visited them. I tweeted about it. I wrote an article about it. And Sanyukt Kisan Morcha decided yesterday that that was not acceptable and that I must be suspended.
Our interests now above even the concept of insaniyat? That's the fundamental question, viewers. Let's ask this of our panelists. First, let me bring in Dr. Ranganathan and Vivek Srivastava. Nupur Sharma is also there, national spokesperson of the BJP, and representing the Congress is Mr. Chaudhary. Dr. Ranganathan, what do you make of this?
No, Rahul, I stand with Professor Yogendra Yadav, even though I disagree with almost everything that he's done or he's said over the past so many years. But in this case, I think it is tragic and it is shameful, the treatment that has been meted out to him. I mean, he extended his hand of karuna, if I can use that word. And, he did something that was, I'll be very honest with you, unexpected of him, because if you remember, he's the same gentleman who, when a woman accused of being molested and sexually assaulted, he did not actually immediately, if I'm not mistaken, go to the police. He tried to settle the matter or solve the matter internally, which was unacceptable. Now, in this case, his inner voice kind of rose up and he decided to do what he did. It was a very humane thing to do, and I'm absolutely astonished. And by the way, one of the comments that I forget the name, the gentleman who, the second one after Tiket, astonishingly cruel and inhuman remarks.
Raminder Singh.
I mean, what was the crime of the BJP Karyakartas there? Were they anti-farmer? We don't even know that. I mean, they were possibly pro-farmer. We have no idea. They were horrendously lynched and attacked. And for the farmer lobby to boycott or throw away Professor Yadav like this is, I would say, unacceptable. But having said that, I'm sure Vivek Srivastava would agree with the farmer lobby, because that is how the left operates. It is ruthless. It is totalitarian. And it cannot accept even one small divergence or variance from the collective thinking.
Vivek Srivastava, for those reasons, do you today support Mr. Tikait and the Morcha for the action it has taken against Yogendra Yadav?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, I'm with Rakesh Tikait ji, and absolutely I'm with the Kisan Morcha. And,
what did I tell you?
In Hindi,
let him finish.
There is a saying in Hindi, Asteen ka saap. No, sir, no, don't interrupt. Listen to me first. There is a saying in Hindi, Asteen ka saap. Asteen ke saap ko, if you feed him with milk, it's finally going to bite you, and that is what is true for the BJP today. There was no reason for Mr. Yogendra Yadav to go over there. The killings of the BJP happened. It was a reaction. We are against lynching. We are against violence. We condemn it. But right now, what Dr. Yogendra Yadav has done was wrong.
This is shocking
Secondly,
statement.
when there is a war, the BJP doesn't want to give MSP. The BJP is against all the farmers. The BJP is totally pro-corporate. The BJP wants to destroy...
No, let him expose himself.
The BJP wants to destroy the middle class. The BJP doesn't want to... The BJP doesn't want to control the prices of the commodities here. Let it be a free-for-all market in a poor country like India. So, I mean, what do we want from this party? And what do we want from this government?
So, the next time,
violence,
Vivek Srivastava, don't call upon the government to visit the homes of Maoists who pick up the gun and target the state. Because I remember you sitting here and saying, where is Modi?
Yes.
Why hasn't he gone to the house of X and Y Maoists? You've said it in the past.
Sir, Dr. Yogendra Yadav is not in the government, neither is the Kisan Morcha.
That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. He's a politician. He's a politician.
People are not listening, sir.
He's a politician, Mr. Vivek, who is an antagonist, at least ideologically, to the BJP Karyakarta's line. And you've described it as a war yourself. Sir, even the Geneva Conventions, even the Geneva Conventions that come into place when there is a formal war between adversaries guarantees dignity in death. For God's sakes, where is your sense of nobleness tonight?
I mean, nobody.
So we have sunk to this level.
Nobody is
but Rahul, this is
undignified about
if I can,
but we
10
do not
seconds,
support.
Yeah, very quickly, yes, Doctor. Okay, Dr. Ranganathan, very quickly respond.
Very quickly, my good friend Vivek, as I wouldn't say disappointed me. If you remember, even before he opened his mouth, I said I could foresee what he's going to say. He's going to support, this drastic draconian action, and he's going to even call names to Professor Yadav, which he did. Asteen ka saap, astonishing. But then I'm not astonished because Vivek, my good friend, eulogizes Mao, who killed 63 million people.
Asteen ka saap is the BJP.
No, please. You didn't say that. You said Asteen ka saap with regards to Professor Yadav, and you made it very clear. I can play back the exchange. Now don't roll back.
No, sorry.
No, please. That's not.